Greetings and welcome to PCB from Germany, my dear fellow collectors. Today I'd like to give this flamboyant Ponytail Swirl redhead a new red because her hair is cut and yeah, as you can see, she also needs a new makeup. That means we are going to repaint her later when she got her new flamboyant red hair, and then we are going to give her this hairstyle, the typical swirl hairstyle. This one is still degreening in the sun. Today we have finally sun again, and I'll be back later when I have prepared this head, which is bold in the middle. It's normal for swirls. And I'm going to keep the hair in this little bag. If I find a scientist who can tell me what kind of hair this really is, I don't know. I would like to find it out. So I'm going to keep the hair. A cleaned head, and I'm going to reroot her now. That's my result after 1.5 hours. Not very much, but I have a good start. I have had a good start. And I'm going to continue tomorrow. Continued a little bit with my reroot. I have started part of the front hair, the first part. As you can see, I still have another row left to do with longer hair. I'm going to do it with longer hair because it's easier to differentiate the two parts of hair. I have just finished the second row here, as you can see, and with the row we have finished what becomes later. This part, the front part of the swirl hairstyle, and I'm going to check how long this part here has to be. That's the next one I have to reroot, what length I need, and then I'll be back and we are going to continue our reroot. My dear fellow collectors, I continued to work on my flamboyant redhead reroot of a Ponytail Swirl, and I have done the next row here. Now all the front is done, and I'm going to do the side and the back as the next step. And I have at the moment approximately 50% of the reroot done, and I'm going to see you later. I have done this part so far, and the back of the head is still missing, and I'm going to do this tomorrow because I still want to work on another project now, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. My dear collectors, I continued a little bit further with our flamboyant redhead reroot. This part is still missing here, but the rest is done. I think I'm going to need another 30 minutes to continue my reroot and finish it, and then I'll be back. And we are ready. Wir sind fertig. Reroot ist fertig. Okay. Now that I'm ready, the next step is to recreate the hairstyle, the right hairstyle for the swirl. That's what I'm going to do tomorrow. Nicht zu viel rein. Like this, I added 2 more streaks of hair because I realized they were missing in the front part of the hair. So I added them, and my hair dried in the meantime, but I'm not really satisfied because it's not smooth enough for continuing the hairstyle. the recreation of the swirl ponytail. This one looks much smoother, so I'm going to smooth her hair another time out, and I hope it's going to be better then. My dear fellow collectors, I showed you my second try to straighten the hair yesterday, but I'm not really satisfied with the results, so I'm going to try something different in a minute. I'm going to use hairspray for my next try.